Hello and welcome to my channel, IKnowGadgets. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Rain Golf PF1 waterproof golf rangefinder. A high-performance, waterproof device designed for golfers who want to play in any weather condition. With a next-gen flag-locking algorithm, the rangefinder delivers instant flag-locking speed, up to 0.1 seconds, and precision. It also features an integral monocular lens with high light transmission, excellent contrast, and anti-glare multi-coating for a clear view of the course even on bad weather days. The PF1 is ultra-lightweight, compact, and provides a wide field of view, making it easy to carry and use. It also comes with a waterproof carrying bag for added protection. The device has a range of up to 1,000 yards and offers a pinpoint accuracy with +/1 yard. It features a scan mode for measuring distances to hazards, mounds, water features, pins, and trees, and a slope mode for taking the guesswork out of club selection when facing an elevation change. The PF1 is compliant with USGA Local Rule 14-3 for legal tournament play when the actual distance mode is selected. It has a rechargeable lithium battery that provides up to 5 hours of runtime and can be charged using a USB-C charging port. If you're interested in purchasing the Rain Golf PF1 waterproof golf rangefinder, you can find the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.